A letter of concern from the Samoa National Provident Fund Management to the Minister of Finance, Lautimuia Waleseva'i, has warranted an investigation of the board's decisions. In a press conference yesterday, Lautimuia confirmed receipt of the letter of concern. He said the letter expresses SNPF management's concern over the approval by the SNPF board of 67 million tala worth of loans to six businesses within a 9-month period. Lautimoya had just returned from overseas and have not had time to check for an update on the issue, but confirmed that the board chairman, Pa Nopapali Itavita Moala, had been given the opportunity to respond to the concerns raised in the letter. Lautimuia said the normal process when such matters arise in government ministries and corporations is a person is suspended while an investigation is conducted. However, the next step will depend on the response from the board chairman. Lautimuia clarified that the SNPF board has the power and authority to approve or not any loan applications. The SNPF policy of lending investment loans is not new because this is how the fund operates. They lend on an interest charge which generates revenues and which in turn pays for the dividends to the members and government. Lautimuia said there are views that the SNPF decisions should be Cabinet's responsibilities and not the board. He, however, said the reason why the decision should be made by the board is to minimize any political influence in decision making. He confirmed that such cases had happened before and it could happen again, but in order to move forward, SNPF should look at amending some of their regulations and policies if need be. Lautimuia is receptive to the SNPF employees voicing their concerns. Issues have happened before that they could not voice their concerns because of fear of losing their jobs, so I am grateful that they have spoken up, said the minister. The important aspect of the letter of concern is whether releasing of funds was done in the proper process. He emphasized that the priority is that the fund services to its members and the public are maintained and required by law.